Namaste yogis, and welcome to my channel.
This energy boosting Vinyasa yoga flow for beginners is perfect as a warm-up, or you can use it as a standalone practice. We will begin in a cross-legged position. You can go ahead and spin your inner thighs down. Sit up tall and lengthen the spine. Relax your shoulders away from the ears. Inhale through the nose, reach your arms up towards the sky. Exhale through the nose, join your hands together, draw your hands down in front of your heart in prayer position. Feel free to set your intention for your practice. You can also dedicate this practice to your health or another person. Namaste. And we'll start warming up the spine on all fours, cat-cow pose. So bring your knees directly under the hips, hands directly under the shoulders. Fan out your fingers and press down through the knuckles. Inhale, drop the belly down, look forward. Exhale, round your spine, chin to your chest. Inhale, head and tail go up. And as you exhale, head and tail go down. Press the earth away. Inhale and exhale. Keep going on your own. And then come back to neutral spine. To warm up the wrists, we'll take our left hand and place the back of your left hand on the floor. Slightly shift your weight to the back to stretch out your left wrist. And then come back, place the left palm down, switching sides. Place the back of the right hand on the floor and slightly shift your weight to the back. Breathe. And then release. Place the right palm down. Now take your left hand and with your left fingers pointing towards your left knee, slightly and gently place the left palm down towards the ground. And release. Switching sides. Take the right hand, right fingers pointing towards the right knee, and gently place the right palm down towards the ground. And release your right palm down, back on all fours, with our fingers pointing forward. Then curl the toes under. Inhale, lift the knees and pelvis up towards the sky. Bring your sitting bones towards the back. Lengthen your legs, but keep your knees bent. Adjust your hands and feet. Elongate your spine. Exhale into your downward facing dog. Your heels don't have to be touching the floor. And like I said, you can soften the knees as much as needed. Lift your heels up and then start bending one knee, straightening out the other leg. Keep alternating. Keep going on your own to warm up the calves and the hamstrings. And finish up, lower your heels down. From here we'll come into a plank pose. Shift your weight forward and adjust your hands and feet as needed. The hands are directly under the shoulders. Lower your knees down for a half plank. Then bring your whole body all the way down. Let your elbows graze your upper body and then pinch your elbows together. Press down through the tops of the feet and your pubic bone. Inhale, peel your chest up, look forward for cobra pose. Hold and breathe. Exhale to lower, and let's do that one more time. Inhale, lift your chest up, open across the collarbones, look forward. Keep pressing down through the tops of the feet and your pubic bone. Keep breathing, and then lower down. Well done. Bend the knees, curl the toes under, and push yourself back into a downward facing dog. Keep working with your breath. And then lift the right foot up. Step it forward. Big steps, small steps, doesn't matter. Step it in between the hands for a low lunge. Make sure that the right knee is right above the right ankle. Lower the left knee down, uncurl the left toes. Inhale, reach your arms up towards the sky. Hug your thighs in towards each other. Keep firming your core in and up. Exhale, lower your hands down, frame your front foot. Inhale, shift your weight towards the back, straightening out the front leg. Flex your right foot. Adjust your hands. Exhale, half splits pose. Keep your left hand on the floor. Inhale, reach your right arm up towards the sky for a gentle twist. Exhale to lower the right hand down. And then shift your weight forward. Bend the right knee back into your low lunge. Curl the left toes under, and then step it back. Step your right foot back into a downward facing dog. Inhale, come to a plank. And as you exhale, lower the knees, chest, and your chin down. Inhale, cobra. Hands directly under the shoulders, peel your chest up. Exhale to lower. That was our Vinyasa flow. Curl the toes under and push yourself back into a downward facing dog. Let's do the other side. Inhale, lift your left leg up and step it forward in between the hands for a low lunge. Left knee is right above the left ankle. Drop the right knee down, uncurl the right toes. Inhale, reach your arms up, open your chest. And as you exhale, lower your hands down, frame the front foot. On your next inhale, shift your weight towards the back. Lengthening out your left leg, flex the left foot. Adjust your hands for half splits pose. Exhale. Keep the right hand on the floor. Inhale, reach your left arm up for a little twist. And exhale, lower the left hand down. Inhale, shift your weight forward, bend the left knee, back into a low lunge. And then from there, step it back into a downward facing dog. Stay in downward facing dog or follow me in a Vinyasa flow. Inhale to plank. Exhale, lower the knees, chest, chin down. Inhale, cobra. And exhale, lower down. Inhale, push yourself back. And as you exhale, land into your downward facing dog. Take a big inhale through the nose. Exhale completely. Inhale, step the right foot forward in between the hands. Low lunge. Right knee is right above the right ankle. Drop the left knee down. Uncurl the left toes. Exhale. Inhale. Reach your arms up. Open your chest. Hug your thighs in towards each other. Exhale. Open arm twist to the right. Twisting from your chest to the right. Lower the arms at horizon level. Hold it here. Keep breathing. Option 1. Second option, drop the right hand down. Lift the left arm up and slightly go for a back bend. We're all lowering the left hand down to the ground by the inside of the right foot, reaching the right arm up for dragonfly pose. Keep breathing. And as you exhale, release. Place the right hand down, curl the left toes under and step it back into your downward facing dog. Option 1, stay your downward dog. Option 2, follow me in a Vinyasa. Inhale, plank. Exhale, lower the knees, chest, chin down and lower all the way down. Inhale, peel your chest up, look forward, cobra pose. Exhale, lower down. Come back into your downward facing dog. And let's do the other side. Inhale, lift your left leg up and step it in between the hands for a low lunge. Exhale. Inhale. Reach your arms all the way up. Try not to splay out your belly, but knit your ribs in together. And then exhale, open arm twist to your left. Twisting from the chest, lowering the arms down, parallel to the floor. Option 1 is to stay here, keep breathing. And the second option is drop the left hand down, reach your right arm up, open your chest and go for a slight back bend. Then we're all meeting down in dragonfly pose. Right hand is on the floor, reaching the left arm up and breathe. Exhale, lower your left hand down, frame the front foot. Inhale, step it back into a downward facing dog. Exhale, option 1, hold your down dog, keep breathing. Second option, do the Vinyasa we've been doing. And the third option is a new Vinyasa variation. Inhale to plank. Exhale, launch yourself a couple inches forward, bend the elbows at 90-degree angle, lower yourself all the way down, and then place your hands by the lower ribs. Inhale, lift your legs and torso off the floor, look forward. This is upward facing dog. Then bend the knees and come back into a downward facing dog. Well done. Keep breathing. Lift up the heels, and on your tippy toes, walk yourself forward into a standing forward bend. Hinging from the hips, drop your head down, relax the neck. Soften the knees and slightly shift your weight forward towards the balls of the feet. Feel free to take ragdoll pose by grabbing hold of the opposite elbows with your hands. You can sway from side to side. And remember, you're really hinging from the hips. Then come back to center, release the hands down. Inhale, place your hands on the shins, come up halfway, flat back. Exhale, lower down, standing forward bend. Inhale, circle your arms down, around, and all the way up. Exhale, join your hands together in front of your heart. And lower your hands down, come into mountain pose. You can keep the feet hip-width apart, or place the big toes together, slightly separate the heels. Stand up tall, lift up the kneecaps. Gaze forward at horizon level. Energize your hands. Stand tall and strong in your mountain pose. Then inhale, reach your arms up towards the sky. Exhale, elongate the spine and fold forward from the hips. Inhale, place your hands on the shins, come up halfway, flat back. Exhale to lower. Inhale, step your left foot out to the back for a high lunge. Make sure that the right knee is right above the right ankle. Exhale. Inhale, reach your arms up towards the sky. Open your chest. Hug your thighs in towards each other. Exhale, open arm twist to the right. Remember, twist from your chest. Keep the hip bones facing forward. Arms are parallel with the floor. Option 1, stay in your open arm twist. Second option, drop the right hand down. Lift your left arm up and open your chest. Slightly go for a back bend. And then we're all going to lower the left hand down by the inside of the right foot. And reach your right arm up for dragonfly pose. Exhale, lower the right hand down and step it back into your downward facing dog. Remember, you have several options here. You can stay in down dog or follow me in a vinyasa, your choice. Inhale, plank. Exhale to lower. Inhale, you can do a cobra or an upward facing dog. Exhale, come back into a downward facing dog. Let's get ready for the same sequence on the left side. Inhale, step your left foot forward into a high lunge. Exhale, hug your thighs in towards each other. Inhale, reach your arms up. Firm your core in and up and knit your ribs in together. Exhale, open arm twist to the left. Remember, keep your hip bones facing the front, twisting from the chest to the left. Arms are parallel with the floor. Option 1 is to stay here, keep breathing. Second option is drop the left hand down. Reach your right arm up. Open your chest. And on your next inhale, we're all going to plant the right hand down on the floor by the inside of the left foot. Stack your shoulders. Inhale, reach your left arm up towards the sky, dragonfly pose. Stay connected with your breath. Then lower the left hand down and step it back into your downward facing dog. Option 1, stay in your down dog, keep breathing. And the second option is choose your vinyasa flow. Inhale to plank, and then as you exhale, lower down however you want to. Inhale, come into a cobra or an upward facing dog. As we exhale, we're going to find our way into child's pose. Big toes are together, widen the knees as much as you need to. Walking your hands towards the front of your mat, drape your upper body forward, place your forehead on the ground, and take a few nice, deep, cleansing breaths, allowing your body to completely soften and relax into child's pose. And take one final breath in child's pose. Then on your next inhale, walk yourself back up, bring your knees together, lengthen the spine, place your hands on your thighs. Hero pose. Hero pose is a wonderful pose. It's like a balm for tired legs. Stay here, but lengthen your arms to the sides, placing the fingertips on the floor. Keep your left fingertips on the floor. Inhale, reach your right arm up. And as you exhale, side body bend to the left. Keep your chest open. Keep breathing. Opening up the right rib cage. Inhale, come back to center. Place your right fingertips on the floor. Exhale. Inhale, reach your left arm up. And as you exhale, side body stretch to the right. Keep grounding down through your sitting bones, especially the left one. Inhale, come back to center. Exhale, lower your left hand down. And let's take a seat towards the front of the mat. Sit up tall with your knees up. Firmly plant your feet into the floor. Hold on to your knees. Elongate the spine. Lean back. And you'll feel the ab muscles working. Also keep pressing your belly button in towards the spine to protect your lower back. Hold on to the knees or release the hands. And then lift your feet off the floor for boat pose. Hold and breathe. Keep pressing your belly button in towards the spine. And maybe go for the challenge. Straighten out your legs. Full boat pose. And then give yourself a nice big squeeze. We're done and we're going to close our class in corpse pose, Shavasana. Come lying down one vertebra at a time. Keep your chin to your chest, head comes down last. Head is in the center. Straighten out your legs, let your feet fall open. Arms are along the body with the palms facing up. Feel free to close your eyes and take a few deep, cleansing breaths. Allowing your body to completely soften. Notice your heartbeat. You can stay here for as long as you like. I'll be here with you for a few minutes. And take this time really for yourself to consciously relax your body, your mind, and to release any tension that's left. And at the same time, allow your body to settle and take in all the benefits of the poses we just did. If your mind starts wandering, no worries. You can visualize thoughts, worries, or anything that enters your mind as clouds in the sky. They'll come and they'll go. If it helps, you can release everything that you don't need right now with an exhale. Sink deeper into your corpse pose. Allow every muscle, joint, bone to soften and relax. Take one final deep breath in corpse pose. Slowly begin to wake up your body by wiggling the fingers and the toes. Feel free to stretch out or do whatever feels good. Yawn, sigh. Then roll over to your right side in fetus position. And then from there, push yourself up into a cross-legged position like we started class. Sit up tall. You can keep your eyes closed. Take a deep breath in, reach your arms up towards the sky and gather all the positive energy, love and light into your whole being. Exhale, place your hands together and then draw your hands down in front of your heart in prayer position. Remember your intention that you set for your practice. And also feel gratitude for doing your yoga practice today. Thank you so much for joining me. May this time spent on your yoga mat be a blessing to you and may it ripple out into our world.